recording.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up button. Whatever you do, stay away from the thumbs down button. Makes me sad. This video, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I ride a lot of back roads. I try to stay off main roads. But if you're in the Murphy, North Carolina, Franklin, North Carolina area, and you're traveling between the two roads, the two cities, back in the day, as recent as the 90s, this was 64. So if you want to get a good ride in, jump on your Google Maps and look at all the roads between Murphy and Franklin, North Carolina, and stitch them together. So look for any road that says Old 64 or Murphy Road, Old Murphy Road. And what happens is it's going to take all the little tiny two-lane roads which used to comprise of US 64 before they widened it, and put it together. So this used to be 64. I remember riding this road when it was the main highway between Murphy and Franklin, and you get to see some interesting stuff out on some of these little back roads. But this used to be the major highway, and if you've been on 64 east of Franklin, you know what I'm talking about, between Franklin and Highlands, that US 64, US 28, where it's really a tight little road like this. Yeah, that was the main highway back then. It's still the main highway today. And these roads still exist, and most of them are in pretty good shape. This one was paved last year, and the old 64 I just came off was paved about 2 months ago. So it's not like you're riding on a crappy road. It's just you're riding on a road that's not really, popular or heavily traveled. So it could be dirty. There could be stuff in the corners. But you're never, like right now, I am probably not more than a mile from the new 64. But I'm just on a little country back road that used to be 64 back in, like I said, in the 90s, this was 64. But this is pretty cool. Once you get closer to Franklin, they didn't label their roads Old 64. The roads over there are called Murphy Road, Old Murphy Road, Murphy Highway. But yeah, again, instead of taking 64 over the top of the mountain to get to Franklin and then hitting the 4-lane, Old Murphy Road goes around the side of the mountain the way it did back in the day. And it's better than this road. This road's still kind of dirty. We had a storm come through a couple weeks ago, and it knocked a bunch of tree limbs down, but this road is so little traveled that it's just not, it's not going to get cleaned off for a while. But it's good asphalt. I mean, it's a nice road. You're not going to race through it, but at least you get a decent road with some good twisties. And you're not slabbing it. I would rather ride this all day long at 30 miles an hour than be out putting a flat spot in the middle of my tire at 60 miles an hour. yeah, this was just one little section of Old 64. Now we're back on US 64. And it is a 3-lane highway, 55 mile an hour, boring. So just give you some options. If you like the video, again, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.